There you go.
There it is.
You're good.
You just...
Nice drift. Go ahead and mend real quick, just upstream. Do a little mend. There you go. Sometimes that twitch will get them excited.
They're in here.
Yeah, that was a nice eat. Yeah, if you mend and make sure that you keep connection with that line, so when he takes it off top like that again, you have a solid connection to set the hook faster. They'll spit it quick. See if I can get one on film. That'd be sick. That's when he's gonna take it, when you're all... They're rising everywhere. No, go ahead, strip. Strip, twitch. There he rose, right there. There, they're rising again. Go ahead and hit it out there. Slow it down. It's curving because you're not letting the rod load. Go back and pause for a second. Yeah, you gotta really slow your cast down. And keep tension on that line. Get more line out for you.
Oh, see that?
Yeah, they're rising everywhere. There you look at that. It's coming.
That thing flames in a little bog.
Yep, there he is. That's what they're hitting. There, he took it right in front of you.
Oh,
I got that on video.
Cool, man.
I got that on video. The march, he hit the natural.
Oh.
Pick it up and drop it right there. Just drop it. Let it go. Get that slack in or you're never going to set the hook on him. Go ahead, pick it up. Put it right off here off of my oar. Right off of my oar. Right off of my oar. Let it drift down over him. He's got to look at it. Off the right side. Right off. Yep. Right there. Now let that drift down. See if he takes that. Yeah, it just rose down there a little bit. Put it back over there. Is he? Oh, yep. Put it on his head. Let it sit and drift down, because here comes another natural. You see it right out in front of your rod?
Here he comes.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to make sure it gets down there before that, because he'll hit the natural.
Oh, that was his
He hit the natural?
Up in the air.
Huh?
His fin was up in the air. I was wondering what that was in the if his fin. He was skimming across the top.
Yeah, let it sit there for a second. Let it sit. Let it set. Really make sure you get a clean drift through there. You see that rise down there? Can you see your dry? Yep, keep feeding it line. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Yeah, don't pick it up. Let it drift out there and slowly go past him. He'll hit it. You should get that rod out of your way, man. Here. Let me get this rod out of your way.
I got him.
Got him?
Fish on.
Fish on. Good job. On the dry. All right. Reel in, reel in. Awesome.
I kept seeing his fin.
Nice. Is that a brownie?
Yeah.
No, it's a rainbow. Nice job. All right. Yeah. Just
Truck Stop Special is the best streamer out there.
The lunch money is the best streamer out there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you guys decide. Truck Stop Special or Lunch Money? Which one's the best?